Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a beautiful cake of a bee. You'll get a big cake and it's really tasteful. This cake is perfect for a birthday or something in particular. Follow my channel to see more. First of all, we'll do the cake. You get 4 eggs and will beat the whites, adding a little bit of sugar. Then you head up with this consistency. You go adding 1 yolk, then mix, and another yolk, then mix. When you're done mixing, you can add the flour and mix it again, but not long. And mix it in slow paste or by hand. After mixing it, you have to have this consistency. When the butter is down, you have to separate it into bowls, half and half. In one part, I'll be putting some cocoa powder. Then mix it. The chocolate and white batter you have to put in separate zip bags. And in the back you have to cut an angle. And by a diagonal lines you have to put the batter. First the white, then the chocolate. You put it to an oven with 180 Celsius and for 30 minutes. While that's cooking, let's do the decorations of the cake. We'll be using some conserved peaches. That first we have to dry with a paper towel. After, let's put it on a plate. For the dressing of the peaches, we'll use a bit of black chocolate and white chocolate. Then mix it. And mix it very good. Then we'll put it on a bag and draw lines on top so they look like bees. White chocolate, you do the eyes of every bee. And black, you'll give the eyes from inside. You'll use a knife and put almonds on top to do the wings of the bees. Let's do the cream. First, you add the milk and you have to boil it. With the rest of the milk, you add the egg yolks and mix it. In the bowl, we put the sugar, the vanilla, and you mix it. After it's done, you mix all together, all the 2 mixtures with done. Till you get this consistency. You take it out of the fire or out of the heat and you let it sit. When you have everything cooling down, you add the butter on ambient temperature and you beat it. After, you'll be adding up the mixture that you did before. and you go adding it 1 by 1 tablespoon because you want it super fluffy. When the biscuit is always done, you can take it out and take out the paper, and you take out of the cake the bad part. You put it back to the pan and put some peach syrup, and on top you put the cream. In another bowl, you can put the gelatin and some hot water with the peach syrup, and you mix it and you let it sit for 15 or 10 minutes. You take the peaches that left and mix it and blender it. If it's not enough, you put some more. When you got the gelatin done, you have to heat it up. You put it inside the mixture that we done before, mixing it all together. When you're done, you pour the mixture on top. And when the mixture is still not cold, you put the bees on top. Everything goes to the fridge. When you're done, when it's perfectly cold and the mixture on top is perfectly set, the cake is done. You can go and try it out. The cake piece is perfect for a birthday or for a meetup with friends. They're always liked by kids and by parents. If you like this video, please give me a like and follow my channel if you're not still following, so you don't forget any video. Thank you for watching this video.